The verb want describes a desire or a wish for the future. The verb want can be followed by a noun. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. For example, a car is a noun. A car is a thing. My car is old. My car is beat up. I want a new car. Their car has problems. Sometimes their car breaks down. They want a new car too. We want a new car. The verb want can also be followed by an infinitive verb. Do you remember what an infinitive verb is? An infinitive verb is a base verb with the word to in front of it. He wants to sleep. He doesn't want to get up. I want to eat a cookie. I don't want to eat an apple. You want to learn English. When we speak or when we text, we usually say wanna. Wanna is followed by a base verb. A base verb is the simplest form of the verb. I want to eat another cookie. You want to watch all my videos. Wanna is used with the subjects I, you, we, and they. I wanna. You wanna. We wanna. They wanna. He, she, it wants. The verb need describes a necessity or an obligation. The verb need can be followed by a noun or an infinitive verb. He doesn't have any money. He needs a job. He needs to get a job. I don't have any food. I need to get groceries, or I need to buy groceries. You need to learn English. You need to watch all my videos. You need to hit the like button. You need to leave a comment. You need to subscribe to my channel or follow me.